Imagine picking up your laptop, traveling to a new country with your family, and still making money no matter where you are in the world. This is a dream that many have, and today I'm excited to share with you how you can turn that dream into reality. Not only will you manage to live your 9 to 5, you might be able to build multiple income streams that will allow you to travel the world. I believe this is the perfect time to work toward financial independence, freeing yourself from relying on someone else to pay you few $1000s a month. Instead, you can aim to earn $5,000, $10,000, or even more a month and take control of your life. In this video, I will walk you through 4 remote opportunities that can help you earn up to $11,000 per week. These methods will not make you rich very quickly. The results will not happen overnight. But if you are ready to put in the work, these methods can set you on the path to financial freedom. The first method is multi-channel dropshipping store. So we will start with dropshipping. For those unfamiliar, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without worrying about inventory or shipping. When a customer places an order, your supplier handles the shipping directly. This model is perfect for earning money remotely as it doesn't tie you to one location. A multi-channel dropshipping store takes it a step further. Instead of relying on one platform like eBay or Shopify, you can sell your products across multiple platforms, creating several income streams for one brand. Despite misconceptions, eBay remains a powerful platform with millions of active users daily. Combine it with Shopify, a user-friendly tool for creating and automating your online store, and then add Vinted, a website loved by a lot of buyers, and now you have a winning combination. Second method is selling digital products. Another excellent way to earn remotely is by creating and selling digital products. Platforms like Etsy, Teachable, Gumroad, or even Shopify store allow you to sell items like ebooks, templates, and courses. Digital products are highly profitable since they don't involve production costs, and once created, they can generate income passively. For inspiration, tools like Zik Analytics can help you research trending digital products and understand what's selling well. Number 3, building a personal brand. If you are comfortable putting yourself out there, building a personal brand on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you are solving problems, sharing knowledge, or simply connecting with like-minded individuals, personal branding opens doors to sponsorship, ad revenue, and more. While this approach may not appeal to everyone, those willing to take the leap can create meaningful connections and lasting income opportunities. And last but not least, AI-powered faceless YouTube channels. If showing your face on camera isn't for you, consider running AI-powered faceless YouTube channels or YouTube Shorts. These channels allow you to create multiple streams from passive income without the need for personal involvement. With AI tools like Clipwise, you can generate content quickly, publish videos, and earn from Google AdSense. All you need is a script, which you can even generate using AI tools like ChatGPT. Once you have your script ready, you can upload it into Clipwise or even Pictory, and it will automatically match relevant stock footage, text overlays, and even professional AI voiceover to create a high-quality video. For example, if you wanted to create a channel about travel tips or fitness routines, you could use Clipwise to generate all your videos without ever needing to show your face. You can focus on posting consistent, valuable content for your audience while letting AI do the heavy lifting. The key to success with faceless YouTube channels is to pick a niche you are genuinely interested in or see significant potential in, whether it is tech tutorials, motivational content, or even recipe ideas. There is an audience out there for every niche. Consistency and understanding your audience's needs will go a long way in helping your channel grow. These are just a few of the many ways to earn money remotely while working from anywhere in the world. I've been able to personally try most of these methods and found great success with them, and I hope you can too. Remember, it's all about taking the first step. Whether you decide to start a dropshipping store, create digital products, build a personal brand, or explore the world of AI YouTube channels, each one has the potential to unlock the financial freedom you're dreaming of. If you want other ways, you can check the links in the description for my other videos. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more insights, and thank you for watching.